you spend too much time on gadgets, social media, or phone?
I feel like time flies when I am playing with my gadgets. I entirely only in time to do it for a short time.
Lifestyle of teenagers in the digital age is very modern and dynamic, but it still needs to be balanced with self-awareness so that technology is used wisely and does not harm oneself.
Avoid addiction, I usually manage my time playing with my cellphone and find other activities like exercising or hanging out with friends.
Hello everyone, I'm Najwa Putriana. Welcome to our podcast today. This time, we're going to talk about something that's super relatable on our daily lives. Is the lifestyle of teenagers in the digital era. Now, I have the three amazing guests here who will be our speakers for today's podcast. So guys, now you can introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Dina.
Hello guys, my name is Alfredo Fudrianto.
Hello guys, my name is Rafa Abarizi.
Okay, that's enough for the introduction. Let's jump into it. So, for the first question is for Lisa here. So, have you ever felt like tired, bored, or stressed because you spend too much time on gadgets, social media, or phone? And how do you deal with that boredom? Do you have any activities?
Sometimes, when I get bored of social media, I usually will switch to sports or look for new things that can overcome that boredom, such as chatting with my family or maybe with my friends.
Okay. Then, do you think social media brings more much benefit or more harm for teenagers?
In my personal opinion, the benefits and drawbacks of social media are equally balanced for me as a teenager. Social media can broaden my horizons, but it can also sometimes mislead me.
Okay, thank you for your opinion, Satya. Now this question is for Rafa. Rafa, I want your opinion about when we're talking about a healthy lifestyles in digital era. What do you think is the most important thing?
In my opinion, the most important thing about a healthy lifestyle in the digital age is time management or spend too much time on your phone. Maintain a healthy diet that allow sleep and exercises.
Okay. Then, in your opinion again, what is the lifestyles of teenagers like in the digital era?
Many people spend more time online than they do physically. Fortunately, many are starting to realize the importance of a healthy lifestyle and are using social media for positive activities like group exercises.
Okay, thank you Rafa for your opinion. Now next is Dina. Have you ever felt like your house spend your entire day just for scrolling, lie on your bed, playing your gadget and your cell phone?
Yes, sometimes I feel like time flies when I am playing with my gadgets. I entirely only in time to do it for a short time, but it not lasting enjoy.
Then, do you think the digital lifestyles make teenagers teenagers more open or closed off?
So it depends on balance. If used wisely, digital lifestyle can make teenagers more open and different. But if it exercised, it can actually make them more closed and reserved.
Okay, let's break down. Now for you guys, I want your opinion about what do you all think about the lifestyle of teenagers in today's digital world? Maybe first for you, Satria.
In my opinion, the lifestyle of teenagers in the digital age is very modern and dynamic, but it still needs to be balanced with self-awareness so that technology is used wisely and does not harm oneself. Thank you.
Papa?
In my opinion, many teenagers today live inseparable from gadgets, but they are also increasingly creative and very up to date.
In my opinion, the lifestyle of teenagers in today's digital era is heavily influenced by technology. This allows them to access information more quickly.
Okay, then how do you all guys stay productive without getting addicted to your cell phone or gadget?
Personally, I prioritize what I need to do as a teenager and manage my time as best as possible.
To avoid addiction, I usually manage my time playing with my phone and find other activities like exercising or hanging out with friends.
I usually limit the time I spend using gadgets and replace it with other useful activities such as helping my parents.
Okay, last question for you guys. What do you think the positive and negative impact of the digital era on teenagers?
In my opinion, the positive impact is that it can broaden our horizons, but the negative impact is that we can become dependent on artificial intelligence.
In my opinion, the positive side is that it easy to find information and you can learn anything. The negative side is that it can make you lazy, less sociable, and easily addicted.
The digital era makes it easier for teenagers to learn and communicate. However, the negative impact can lead to gadgets addiction.
Okay, that's for today's podcast. Thank you for Satria, Rafa, and Dina for sharing your thoughts. So we can learn that living in digital era is all about balance. Using technology wisely while still living a healthy and productive life. So guys, I'm Najwa Triana. We are done for today's podcast. See you next time. Bye bye.
You got me jumping like